All right. The other thing is, what advice we give to young investors who almost certainly will have more direct responsibility for their retirement savings than their predecessors, of which I'm going to talk about later.
Well, I think the advantage of putting money into a retirement fund, obviously a Fidelity fund I would prefer, but index fund, whatever it is, put some money aside. It's going to compound tax-free.
Yeah.
Start saving earlier. The numbers are amazing.
Compounding will do wonders for you, won't it?
But until you want to invest directly in individual stocks, start a paper portfolio. Say, I'm going to buy these 10 companies, and then write down in like 5 bullets why. What's the reason I bought those? And then keep checking a year later. What happened? Did they really keep growing, or did a competitor come along? Do a paper portfolio, and you can do exactly what I did with a real portfolio and find out, what am I good at? What am I bad at? Am I really good at turnarounds? Am I good at small growth companies? Maybe I pay too high for stocks. You can do this over 4 or 5 years and learn what's your skills, and then specialize in that. I had owned thousands of companies. The average person, all you need is a few in your lifetime.
Yeah.
Make a difference.